By first expanding cos square x plus sin square x whole cube or otherwise show that cos power 6x plus sin power 6x equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2x. He told us to expand this one. So let us expand it first. That is cos square x plus sin square x whole cube. Now, how do I expand this is the question now. To expand it, we should make use of the formula a plus b whole cube. Here it is 3, so we should make use of a plus b whole cube. And the formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. Clear? Okay. In place of a, it is cos square x. In place of b, it is sin square x. So let us expand it. So a cube means cos square x whole power 3 plus b cube means sin square x whole power 3 plus 3ab. A is cos square x, b is sin square x, brackets, a plus b. Now what you will do is, what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? Remember basic trigonometry identity, cos square x plus sin square x is 1. This is the basic trigonometry identity. So in place of this I will put 1, and also in this bracket as well, this is cos square x plus sin square x. So here also replace it by 1. Thus it will become now 1 cube equal to, and this will become cos square whole cube, will make it cos power 6x. Here sin square whole cube will make it sin power 6x, and to this no change, 3 cos square x sin square x into 1. Whether I write into 1 or I don't write, it's not going to make any difference, so I am not writing it. Next. Now 1 cube is 1, so here cos power 6x plus sin power 6x plus 3 cos square x sin square x. Now we have to show this one. On this side cos power 6x and sin power 6x is present. That gives me the idea that leave these two here, and whatever is attached to this one, shift it to the other side. Thus 1. Here it is plus, shift it to the other side, minus 3 cos square x sin square x is equal to cos power 6x plus sin power 6x. Clear? So we got this is equal to 1. So 1 also we got, minus 3 by 4 sin square 2x we should get. But here present is cos square x into sin square x. But I should get sin square 2x. How can I get that? See here. See here. Formula of sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. There sin square is present. So to get sin square 2x, you also do the square on both sides. So what do you get? You get sin square 2x is equal to, apply the square to each. So 2 square is 4, square applied on sin will become sin square, square applied on cos will become cos square x. Clear? Here you have cos square and sin square. So to get sine square and cos square, divide by 4 on both sides, such that over here also you will be left with sine square x cos square x is nothing but sine square 2x by 4. Did you understand? Now in place of cos square into sine square, I will replace this one. Is it clear? Any doubts? Here it was cos square sine square. To get cos square sine square, I divided by 4 on both sides. Now let us replace. So 1 minus 3 times of cos square sine square is sine square 2x by 4. Whether I write by 4 here or here, it is the same, is equal to cos power 6x plus sine power 6x. This is what we had to show and we have shown. Clear?